Go.
All the way off of that, please.
Okay.
Oh.
Chat, I'm going to take you to go see the fridge. I hope you're excited. I'm taking you. Take a breather, Mom. Alright, Chat. Let me get the battery bank in my pocket. Let me get my glove. Wait till the end of. Oh, yeah. So there's not just two. There's one fridge, one freezer, whatever that is, and another one. Okay. Mom, you prepared?
Huh?
Are you prepared? We're opening it. Yeah. Welcome. Oh, God, yeah. That's right, yeah. Yep. And that's why we are saving this for a different day. That's why we're saving that for a different day, guys. Woo! Now you understand.
Oh.
Yeah. I can almost smell that through my mask.